Okay, so I've just installed the Autoease power liftgate on a 2011 Range Rover Sport HSE Lux. This is part of the L320 lineup, so I'm guessing it'll be the same for all of the other models in the L320 range. The installation involves removing two struts and installing powered struts with a control box hidden behind the liftgate panel. It is recommended to remove the holding studs and replace them with more sturdy ones provided as part of the kits by Autoease. Everything that was needed for the installation was included in the box that arrived in Canada within a few days from ordering from China. It was well packaged, and the communications with Tower Autoease could not have been easier or more efficient. Although it is not included, I ordered the additional foot sensor that is very simple to install and allows for hands-free trunk operating and closing. Neat. Now let's see it in action. The noise is optional. Installation is easy and it is aesthetically pleasing. It makes me wonder why it took so long to install a system.